As any crafter might know, organization is probably the biggest pain point that we have. Today is all about organizing my inks, specifically my Catherine Pooler inks. I love my Catherine Pooler inks. They are fantastic for ink blending, for colored stamping, for so many amazing things. But here's my problem. My storage solution, which was perfect until I decided to get more ink, and I have too many inks that will fit in this tray. Here is now my pain point. I need to come up with a new solution of how to store my inks. So that's what this video is all about, is a fun way to store your inks using this cool new thing I just found on Amazon.
I'm Erin Reed of Erin Reed Makes, and I'm a lover of all things creative and crafty. From the arts and crafts to planners to stamping and card making, I love all the things. Not only do I love to make them, but I also love to travel around and find new stores and also new events to share my crafty love. Oh, welcome to my channel.
As with anything, the key to organization is finding a solution that works for you. And my problem is that the solution I had is no longer fitting. So I found a solution on Amazon. I didn't hunt for this. I've been seeing people with these for a long time. Oh, bubble wrap. I can't help it. You gotta pop it, right? It's just too much fun. Okay. Sorry, side notes. So I found a solution on Amazon that was actually recommended to me by a bunch of my crafty friends. And if you're looking at a lot of people's back areas of their crafty videos, like you see storage behind me right now, you can also find some of these storage units on their videos. So it is pretty cool, but let's assemble this thing first. I feel like it's another form of adult Lego when you get these things. It's like going to IKEA. It's just adult Lego, that's all it is. So building time. And the best part is, as soon as I start doing this, I have a little friend who wants to help me. You gonna get it? You gonna get it? Okay, remember, you can't have it. Mommy's gotta hold it. But you can get the nib nibs in. Get your nib nibs. He has so much fun when I get bubble wrap. He thinks it's his best. It's the best toy in the world, but he doesn't get to eat it. He just gets to pop the pieces. He thinks it's too much fun. Pay no attention to the boxes. I haven't sorted that yet. Nib nibs, nib nibs. This actually comes as two pieces. So here's one set, and then this is like a little top piece that goes on top of it, but I'm gonna hold off and we'll do that one at the end. Of course, there's instructions. So I'm gonna do my best to speed this up and make this like super fast. So just, you know, for you, it's like 10 seconds. That was like the easiest thing to put together. I thought I was gonna need like some special tools, or no, it just like snapped together like so easy. I made one mistake and I didn't look. There was one piece that was supposed to go at the top that I put at the bottom, but I mean, oh my God. So if you're wanting other fun organizational ideas, this video is part of a playlist, which is part of the Get Organized HQ Virtual Speakers playlist. That's a mouthful. Bottom line is, if you want some other fun ideas for organization and fun tips for your home, my home happens to be more on the crafty side. This is a big section of my house, is all my crafty space. So that is the part that I needed to organize. But if you're looking for some other favorite home hacks that can benefit you, check out the playlist. It is down in the information section, so you can get some other amazing ideas for home organization hacks. All right, back to the video. This is the, and I'm gonna say this wrong, Sanferni ink holder. I got the slim one because I was specifically getting this for my Catherine Pooler inks, and I knew that it was gonna fit. But here's the moment of truth. Let's see if these actually fit the Catherine Pooler inks. There's pictures on there, but moment of truth is really when it actually works. So is it gonna work? Yeah, baby, it's working. Oh, this is gonna solve a lot of problems. And here's the best part. This is why I got this particular one. Not only did I hear from a couple of people and they sent me links to this particular product, and I'm sure you've seen this, but you know, if I've had this problem just come up and I've been crafting for a bajillion years, then maybe you're in the same boat, which is why this video is being made. There's little hooks on the back here. So you can actually attach this to the wall. It can stand, or we can attach it to the wall. Mine is gonna go over there, which will come at the end of the video. I just want to jump in the middle of this video and let you know about a fun event that's coming up at the end of the month. My 2024 Makes Your Treat is officially live. If you would like to jump in and be a part of all things creative and creativity and journaling and fun and inspiration, then you need to come and join this amazing event. I am one of 3 educators along with Eileen Hull and Cassandra Lawrence. We're going to be assembling all things journaling. We're going to be making the journal book, assembling the journal pages, making tassels, charms, bookmarks,
bookmarks, book bags, pages to go in the journals. We're gonna be doing a ton of different techniques, including sublimation, mono printing, die cutting, stenciling, masking, gel printing. Oh, there's so many fun techniques. Shrink films, but it's just a sample, just a few of them. If you wanna learn all things more about the retreat, link is down in the information section where you can join, or you can also check out the video that's right up here. There are 2 ways that you can join the retreat. One is to buy a ticket to be part of the virtual retreat, which includes all of the video content, a virtual swag bag, tons of amazing downloadable images, PDFs, SVGs, inspiration cards, worksheets. There's so much fun stuff that you can be a part of for that. But you can also do a second option, which is buy the kit, which includes the supplies you need to create the projects that are in our classes. There is so much fun stuff inside this kit. It is jam-packed with so many amazing goodies, including a pretty sweet swag bag. I mean, I want half the stuff that's in that swag bag too. It is awesome. Sign up link is down in the information section where you can be part of this amazing retreat that's at the end of August 2024. I hope to see you there. Now let's jump back to the video.
Catherine Pooler has this fun little thing where you can actually put the label on the outside. I don't have it for all the inks, but maybe one day I'll get them all. And so you can see them when you slide them into the tray. So that way you don't have to worry about which color. It's very visible right from the front. So as this fits into the tray, boom, you can see that. And then the color is right there. So now I don't have to like lift up all my pieces like I had in the one before. But before I put this whole thing on the wall, there's part 2. I got to assemble the top. That went together so easy. It was like so fast. I mean, don't ever worry about if you don't feel like you can put these together. I thought it was gonna need like a hammer or some sort of extra tool. It's not. It's also super lightweight. It's not wood or anything. I think it's kind of like a covered foam, which is nice because it's lightweight, which means it won't pull on my wall because I am gonna mount it to the wall. But it's also really easy to assemble. Now, these 2 pieces, the bottom piece, which this can fit 44, and then this has an extra 12. So that was part of the reason why I got the top piece, because they are 2 separate purchases. And I did get the slim. There's 2 other options you can get for wider inks. So if you've got like the big Stampin' Up! Inks, or if you've got a big ink, you can get a different set, a different size. But the Catherine Poolers fit in here great. Let's test a couple others, but let me put the top on first. So I got the top, number 1, because it gave me 12 more slots. Was that hard or what? That's just like the easiest thing ever. And it's on there. I mean, it's on there. And it's not heavy. It's really light. But let's test a couple other inks because I have them handy. So we obviously know the Catherine Poolers fit in here just fine. Like there's no problems there. Easy peasy. All right, I got a whole tray of other inks. So Distress inks, because I know a lot of us have Distress or Distress oxides. It's a little squishy, I will have to say, because it fits, but it's a snug fit. I mean, I'm having to really squish it in here. I did not get it for my Distress inks or my oxides. I got this for the Catherine Poolers because I gravitate to those first. Scrapbook.com inks, no problem, because they're about the same shape. Here's a big Hero Arts. Oh, easy peasy, no problems. Easy fits in there. Wendy Vichi's ink, not a problem. What else I got in here? I'm sure I got somebody else's inks. Oh, Simon Hurley. Not a problem. I also have, oh, here's an older alt new. Now they do have a new design and I don't have that one with me, so I can't test that one, but this is their older design and it fits just fine because it's the same size and shape. I don't think I have anybody else's in here. Well, or they're already the same shape. You know, you could put the little guys in here. So here's the little ones. You could fit a few, but because it goes really far back, you'd have to really dig in there for the little guys. I don't know if it's really worth it for the tiny ones. I mean, oops. Or, you know, this is why you have the top. I have a different purpose for the top, but you could do that for the top if you wanted to. You could put your little ones. You could also put your re-inkers on the top. I mean, I have a few re-inkers. They could fit there and now they have a home. So there's always options for what you place on top. I have a different idea for my re-inkers. I need to revamp this scenario because I don't use my glitter, but the re-inkers I use more, so that might be, that's a whole other video though. So hopefully I have sparked a little bit of organization in your life. The inks were a pain point for me because I kept fiddling with them. I had them on the desk because there wasn't a good place to store them. So when you have one of what I call the speed bumps in terms of organization, you find a solution, and this happens to be mine. So if it benefited me, hopefully it will benefit you and give you an idea of how to store your inks. Now I wonder if I'm gonna have to need another one if I keep getting more inks. There's not enough room on that wall. So as always, all supply links are down in the information section. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again later. Whoops. As with anything the keto artisan say, blah, 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 blah. I'm gonna put this away now. You didn't see that.